By this time, everyone should be fairly familiar with the area known as the Pacific Ring of Fire. This area around the Pacific Ocean is known for its often occurring earthquake activity. But before I start the animation, I want to give you a little look around so you know what you're looking at. It starts January 1980, and there's a 10-year increment up until the current day. What we're looking at on this map are plate boundaries, and when I first start this animation, we're going to be seeing all of the earthquakes with magnitudes from 0 to 10. So here we go. That is a lot of activity. I'm going to drop the key down, and the keys you also have on your lab report. What you're looking at, the magnitude, the size of the dots indicate the magnitude of the earthquake. So the larger the dot, the larger the magnitude. The colors tell you how deep the earthquake is. And just, a quick glance at this map would indicate that most of the earthquakes are fairly shallow. Now this is all great, a lot of data to look at. We are not going to look at this data. What we're going to do is we're going to do a little mini deep dive into a couple of locations closer to home. So let's take a look. All right, here we have location number 1, the Pacific Northwest of the United States. State of Washington here. There's Seattle. Give you a few landmarks there. Here's your plate boundary right there. All the parameters are staying the same. We're going to start at 1980, go through the current day, and 0 to 10 for the magnitude. So here we go. Location number 2, the Canadian West Coast. This is just north of location number 1 that you just observed. Again, all the parameters are staying the same, 0 to 10 for the magnitude. Here we go. The third location is a little bit different. We're going to be looking at Oklahoma, and I kind of have it zoomed out here because there are not any plate boundaries that are very close to Oklahoma. The closest one is way down here, which may or may not have an effect. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to zoom in here to Oklahoma. And I'm just going to run the animation first using the same parameters that we did for the other locations. Location 4, we're going back to the Pacific Ring of Fire to do a little analysis. What I have on the screen right now are the plate boundaries. And as you can see, we have different colors here, the turquoise, the yellow, and the purple. I'm going to run the animation, but I've changed the parameters a little bit. The magnitude I've changed to be between 2.4 and 7, so you can see the different depth activity for the different boundaries around the ring of fire. I also have still shots on your lab report of this as well. Make sure you complete everything on your lab report. Good luck.